So in the last video, what we have done is we have created a class which is A, and in this class we have a class called as B, and since we have class inside a class, that class will be called as member in a class. So to create the object of member in a class, we have to say A dot B, which is used to create the reference, and then in order to instantiate this object B, we need an object of A. So before getting object of B, first we have to instantiate the class A, right? And then we can say it is obj.show. Simple, right? But when I compile this code, so let's once again, let me just compile this code, so run as Java application. So the output is hello, right? Let me go to the file where we have creating this file. Now whenever you run Java code, it will create a dot class file. So for class test demo, it will be testdemo.class. For class A, it will be a.class. But what about class B? So let's see what will be the output of class C here or class B here. So let me go to this folder. Now you can see we have something called as A class, logical. We have demo test, but what about class B? Class B is written as $B, which simply says this class B belongs to class A, right? So that means inner class belongs to some other class in your file system also. So that was your member inner class. So now let's talk about a nested inner class. So what is nested inner class? If you make your class as static, so if you make your class as static, that class is called as nested class. Because in order to use this static class, you don't need object of A. We can use a name A directly to refer the object B. Now how exactly we can do it, that we'll see in the next part.